what I'm relating to you is not in any of your articles. It's
Right.
not been published.
Correct.
It turns out the other individual who we didn't get to meet, we find out he's got a master's degree.
Yeah.
And he goes straight from going to college and a master's degree to being some guy that walks around here in plain clothes, just milling about, looking for odd things to happen. Way overeducated for that position.
And we hear also very well spoken.
Very well spoken. No offense to anybody else who works on the force, but he's kind of got the resume and the demeanor you wouldn't expect of somebody that's going to be walking around on the street trying to blend in and be just a normal Joe.
Yeah.
And he's since been, I believe, promoted and still at Capitol Police.